the renaissance for the Indian manufacturing sector indeed has arrived. And you can really see evidence of that. The number of smartphones India is exporting, what is happening in the auto sector. But today it gives me great pleasure to talk about the Waaree Group, a group which is championing the entire energy transition in the world. So to talk about their journey, what makes them a force to reckon with, and what is the really success secret sauce that why the Waaree Group has emerged as one of the most cost-efficient energy transition company. It gives me pleasure now to bring on board the chairman of the Waaree Group, Mr. Issar Doshi. What a pleasure, sir. Thank you for
Thank
meeting now.
Thank you, Vej, for coming all the way. Really appreciate
Thank
that.
you very much.
Thank
Pleasure is all ours. Uh, let's talk about your journey. It started as an idea. Now today it has become a movement, and you, in a sense, are a clear endorsement of that what Indian manufacturing sector could achieve and do at a global level.
India has been a forefront in a manufacturing for many years, and we lost few years. But now with the government policies and the demand across the globe for the alternative supply chains, I think this is a very good opportunity that we, as a whole country, we can become another manufacturing hub for the world. And Waaree was always in a forefront for last 30 years in a manufacturing. Of course, solar we started a little bit late, but whatever we were in manufacturing, we took the leadership at the global level.
I'm going to just tell our viewers that Waaree is indeed a hidden gem in the manufacturing space. Many may not know, but this is one of the biggest exporter of the solar panel in the world now. And when you're competing at a world level, I guess it is all about efficiency and all about really keeping the supply chain and benefits in place. Now, India does not enjoy a great reputation in terms of executing large projects. So how have you achieved to beat China? How have you managed to keep the supply chain intact?
So we came into the business for the European market. In 2007, 2008, when we decided to come in solar, there was no Indian market. So the culture we built in the factory for the quality, delivery on time, certification, approvals, we always has focused as Europe as a market. So for us, that was not a problem of the reputation or whether we will be able to meet their commitments or not. We have been day one there.
Has your business changed completely in terms of a 180-degree move post-COVID because of geopolitical factors, China one policy, and the way things are moving on the supply chain front?
Of course, first thing, COVID plus the energy crisis, Ukraine war, has started thinking about a lot more on alternative energy than the earlier before. The second thing, during the COVID, the world has started discussing about the deglobalization, or I will say the alternative supply chain. So that has helped the Waaree. Since the reputation was built for a 15 years, we came in solar in 2008. So we took almost long time to build that reputation, and solar has a lot of entry barriers in terms of certifications, approvals. So we could achieve all that well in time, bankability, insurance, so many things. Waaree could do that on time, and when this thing has opened up post-COVID,
So what
we are
was
at the
your
right
order book
place.
pre-COVID? It was 10,000 crore, it has become 50,000 crores, right?
Right.
So
right.
in less than 3 years, your order book has gone from 10,000 to 50,000.
Right.
ऐसा क्या हो गया? ऐसा क्या change हो गया?
Okay, Waaree ने बहुत कुछ किया, but I will not touch that.
हाँ.
But I will say that globally the awareness for the solar energy has gone up. Number one, energy prices has increased. Number three was that due to the certain challenges faced by the customers during the COVID time, they decided to have the more suppliers. And of course, the Waaree was their choice.
So are you adding more business from the existing customers or new customers have come?
Both. Existing customers are also growing. For example, we say that in 2011-12, they were talking about kilowatt. Our customers moved to the megawatt and gigawatt.
So what is this plant? I can see that a solar panel is getting manufactured here, right?
Right.
तो जो घर पे हम लगा देखते हैं, बिल्डिंगों पे लगा देखते हैं, this is the solar panel you are making here.
Absolutely.
So one solar panel will generate how much electricity?
This is a 540, 550 watt panel.
Okay.
Typically, when you put a 1 kilowatt system, you get the 4 units.
Okay.
So घर में हम कहते हैं बिजली का बिल कितना आ रहा है. So typically 2 or 3 bedroom house, if they put a 3 kilowatt, that is a 6 panels like this. It's more than enough for their electricity
6
requirement.
पैनल ऐसे लगा दो घर का इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल इज टेकन केयर ऑफ. एसी
Absolutely.
लगाएंगे तो
AC आ गया इसमें
AC
3
आ गया
किलोवाट.
इसमें.
जी जी जी.